Hello friends, now I am going to start to discuss about cyclone. Earlier in the last topic we discussed about famine or the drought. The simple meaning of the cyclone is blowing the air with the blowing the air with the great speed. The simple meaning of the cyclone is blowing air with the great speed. It can be called a storm, cyclone, or whirlwind. Why it is called whirlwind? Now you think. Because it is moving in the circulation. Circular way it is moving with the speed also. The coastal area of India experiences cyclone every year, mostly after or nearby monsoon. The eastern coastal line is mainly experiencing it every year. So, in the Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, these are the regions where we have to aware to save the life from these disastrous condition. The main regions as like Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, they need to take care every year. And in India, to save these places, some center of the relief camps have been set up during this disaster situation. So, when the effect of the cyclone arises, it affect with the high intensity to the nearby areas. The places lost their roofs. Mainly here we can see non-permanent structures to live. People are making just due to this cyclonic condition. The winds affect sometime in limited proportion because its speed may be somehow less or its time to pass on may be somehow low. Due to that, the effect of this cyclonic condition become very low in some area. Otherwise, we can see this situation at so many places. Now remember one thing that in India, all coastal line, including in the western side Maharashtra, some Gujarat's part also, sometimes suffer this kind of the cyclones. Remember this. It means our all coastal line from Gujarat to the western Bengal in the eastern side and Gujarat in the western side. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, these all states have to be ready to see, to be alert, to fight against this disastrous condition. So, whenever the cyclone arises, what we have to do? One question is given here. How will you respond to the situation if the warning of a cyclone is given? First, we have to be ready to carry our main important papers because some important requirement of the identification proof is required in the relief camp. Some basic necessities like the battery or the torch. Keep the mobile charged so people can communicate to each other if they are in problem. With that, some first aid things we have to carry, and In the situation, we have to reach to the open ground where the big structure cannot fall on us. Means in the time of the cyclone, people have to ready. In the area where people are usually find this kind of the situation occasionally, they have to prepare for such situation time to time. Keep your one bag ready always with you so the disaster condition cannot give you alarm but it starts and emerge. Okay, in that way, in your textbook, some places you will find the thing called like to know. Wherever the such points are given, you try to prepare it. If your house is near the seashore and the government warns about tsunami, what will you do for your protection? What the person can do in the time of tsunami, you think? People must ready to go to the relief camp because the wall of the water will not wait for you to ask you that I enter in your home or not. So sometimes these are the disaster condition. Storm, tsunami. These are disaster condition. It cannot give you time. So be ready. Right? Okay. One more question. Would you like to live in a region of volcano? Why? Means the question has been asked to you. Would you like to live in a region of volcano? Mainly nobody wants to live to like to live. Why? Because this volcanic condition create a problem for the people. People have to live away from the volcanic region. And if we live in that area, our life come in danger. So we cannot stay in that area. Remember. So here I am discussing some small questions given in your box. Think. The topics I am discussing here. So wherever the volcanic eruption happened, we have to ready to move somewhere else. Because volcano is not a good for the life of people in any way. Right, my friends? One more question is here. How can you helpful to others if there is an earthquake in your area? See, mainly earthquake never give you sign. Right? You have seen earthquake happen. Actual work starts after earthquake happen. To save the people from the broken homes, find out them, send them to the relief centers. Another work is provide them food, provide them water who have lost their shelters. These are the main work. What we have to do. So, earthquake will give us better way of helping to others. Provide the drinking water to the people who need it. Right? Bring the people to the relief camps who have lost their shelters. Right? So many things we have to think about. So many things we have to think what can we do if we see this situation. So remember one thing. Natural disaster is the study to understand what as a person if we may be in such crisis what can we do that we have to learn, right my friend? So here whichever the earlier boxes were given in the topic I discussed here. Now I move to the next topic of forest fire. Now the question comes, what's the meaning of forest fire? When due to the clash between branches of the tree, the energy emerge and create the fire. It could spread to the larger area of the whole forest So it is called forest fire. Remember this. These forest fire cause big effect to the area. In India, in last 5 years, one forest fire had taken place in Uttarakhand forest area. Today it is silence, but when it started, it was not became silent up to so many months. So you can understand if the fire continue for days and days and days, how much heat could spread in that area. So many people need to change their places just due to the forest fire. So remember one thing, if the forest fire happened, it caused great damage to the life of people. Right, my friends? Okay, one thing more you remember here. In world, at so many places, in the Amazon forest of America, in the Australia, in the Norway, Switzerland, Sweden, France, we can so many times see the forest fire is taking place. So it is important to remember that forest fire is not a occasional, but maybe some days may start but continue for days and months. In Australia, up to the last year, the forest fire have taken place. It had destroyed in that area. Hectares of the area was destroyed. So many living creatures died. Kangaroos were found to be died and burned in completely burned condition. It means forest fire cannot save the life in any situation. Remember this thing. It can destroy anyone's life completely. Right, my friends? Now the point is coming, landslide. Generally in India, landslides are found when the heavy rain takes place or any change in the layer of the earth if happens and the balance over outer side of the land or the exterior means outer part of the earth, if any change may occurs, the part of the mountain started to collapse from its original structure and they create this situation of landslide. Let us continue the definition given here. Sliding of the large mass of rock material and soil down the side of a mountain or cliff is termed as landslide. I repeat, the sliding of large mass of rock material, soil down the side of the mountain or cliff is termed as landslide. So here you understand one thing, as I have explained in the earlier, that mountain will start to collapse from upper part to the downside. How and why it takes place? Now the question comes here. Two factors mainly found for the occurrence of landslide: excessive rain or earthquake, as I have told earlier. So this is the one mark question. Which are two main factors for occurrence of landslide? excessive rainfall and earthquake. If the rainy season, we can find at so many mountain range such kind of the incidents are taking place. Usually in the southern part, in the Uttarakhand region, in southern part of India, right? One example is given in your book that the railway transportation in Konkan region gets obstructed due to the landslides so many times. See, Konkan railway is India's one of the oldest railway in southern part from Maharashtra to Kerala. It is always traveling. But due to the change, the structure have created hurdles due to the occurrence of the landslide. The railway cannot continue, right? This is not a small scooter or the two-wheeler or four-wheeler. Even four-wheeler we cannot divert. If we can say about the cycle, we can carry on our shoulder, but the railway is unable to be carried. It needs to wait up to the cleaning the road, to cleaning the track, railway track, then it could pass. So in the Konkan railways route, these sometimes occur and create the hurdle for the traveling. Right, my friends? So here I have completed discussion of the chapter number 5 with you. And lots of the topic we have discussed. And total, since 2 periods we are discussing about this chapter. Okay, my friends?